People obsess over battery percentage, but most phones don't die early because they're old. They die because of habits almost everyone thinks are normal. You might be damaging your battery every single day without realizing it. The good news, fixing it doesn't require buying a new phone or downloading another app. Just changing a few charging habits can add months or even years to your battery's lifespan. Here are 5 battery tips almost nobody tells you. 1. Stop treating 0% and 100% like a goal. Most people believe they're doing the right thing by charging to 100% every night and using the phone until it hits 0%. In reality, lithium-ion batteries dislike extremes. Sitting at 100% for hours creates voltage stress, while repeatedly draining to 0% puts extra strain on the battery cells. Your phone won't explode if you do it occasionally, but doing it every day speeds up battery wear. If possible, keep your battery somewhere between 20% and 80% during normal daily use. Save 100% charges for days when you know you'll be away from a charger for a long time. 2. Heat is the real battery killer. People blame charging, they blame apps, they blame software updates. But the biggest enemy of your battery is heat. Charging under your pillow, leaving your phone inside a hot car, gaming while plugged in, or using fast charging in a very hot environment all increase battery temperature. Heat accelerates chemical aging inside the battery, reducing its ability to hold a charge. If your phone feels unusually hot, remove thick cases while charging, avoid direct sunlight, and let it cool before using demanding apps. A cooler battery is a healthier battery. 3. Fast charging has a hidden trade-off. Fast charging is incredibly convenient, but convenience comes at a price. Higher charging speeds generate more heat, and more heat means faster battery aging over time. This doesn't mean you should stop using fast charging completely. Instead, use it when you genuinely need a quick boost before leaving home. Overnight, or when you're not in a hurry, a slower charger can reduce heat and place less stress on the battery. Think of fast charging as sprinting. It's useful, but you wouldn't sprint everywhere all day. Number 4, don't leave your phone plugged in all night if it doesn't need to. Many modern smartphones include optimized charging features that delay charging to 100% until just before you wake up. These systems help reduce battery stress, but they aren't magic. If your phone doesn't have this feature, or if it's disabled, the battery may sit at full charge for several hours every night. That constant high voltage contributes to long-term wear. If your schedule allows, charge your phone before bed or enable battery optimization settings. Even reducing the amount of time your battery spends at 100% can make a difference over hundreds of charging cycles. 5 tiny charging habits matter more than perfect charging. Many people become obsessed with the exact percentage. Should you unplug at 78%? Is 81% too high? In reality, consistency matters far more than perfection. Avoid extreme heat. Don't constantly drain the battery to 0. Use quality chargers and cables. Keep your phone updated because manufacturers often improve battery management through software. And if you're storing a phone for weeks or months, don't leave it at 0% or 100%. Around 50% charge is usually the healthiest level for long-term storage. Here's what surprises most people. Batteries are consumable. Every charge cycle slowly reduces their maximum capacity. You can't stop that process completely, but you can slow it down significantly. 2 people can buy the exact same phone on the same day, and after 3 years, one battery can still feel healthy while the other struggles to last half a day. The difference usually isn't luck, it's daily habits. So the next time you plug in your phone, don't just think about getting back to 100%. Think about how today's charging habits will affect your battery a year from now. Small changes today can save you money, frustration, and the need for an early battery replacement later. Your battery may not last forever, but if you treat it well, it'll last a lot longer than most people expect.